sunny shore 11 centimeters wide are the largest recorded in the region in 2 decades, but changing weather patterns could make such storm more common as studies suggest. During a thunderstorm, the recent wind carries water droplets into the atmosphere. When the air is cold enough, these droplets freeze. As moisture from the air collects on the outside of the frozen droplets, they become larger. The storm will continue to grow until the air that holds it can no longer support it. If this is a lot of moisture in the air and the wind that traps is very strong, then the hail will be larger. Research showed that climate change could make giant hailstones more than common. Apocalyptic hail the size of the tennis ball hit parts of Belgium, smashing car window and injured dozens of people. Unfortunately, a 20-month-old girl was killed by a falling stone. Climate change made these conditions more likely because warmer air contains more water vapor. Strong storms with powerful updrafts are also becoming more likely as weather patterns change. Although the meeting point, the hail at which hail begins to melt before hitting the ground, will rise as the ground warms that won't start again hail. While small stones melt as rain, large stones fall faster, so they do not always melt before reaching the ground. As a result of anthropogenic warming, low humidity and convective instability are generally expected to increase, increasing the likelihood of hail and furthering the formation of larger hailstones. Landslides into Cuba as a Category 3 monster lash on the island with 125 mile-hour winds. Strong winds and storms surge are still expected further north in the Tampa Bay area. State Emergency Management Director Kevin Guthers said hundreds of thousands of Florida residents were ordered to evacuation as the National Hurricane Center extended its hurricane warning along more than 115 miles of the state Gulf Coast. Statewide power outage can be expected. Florida power and light worms. Hurricane Lan has become an extremely dangerous Category 4 storm with maximum winds of 114 mile-hours and is expected to bring live terrain, storm surge, catastrophic winds including to the Florida Peninsula, the National Hurricane Center said. Tornadoes are also a danger and several warnings and watching were issued across the state Wednesday morning as banks of rain more across Florida.